the next award, we are still here. This was in the category of academia. The next one, HarveyJAlter. For beating unsustainably the virus C. This is the award with your name.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Ooh, it's heavy.
Yeah, heavy. We have heavy things. So you keep it this way. Your hand. This is our standard. This way, this way, this way, this way.
Just one dance and then I have to go.
Now dancing at the end. Okay. Say a few words.
You know, Arnold Schwarzenegger once said, I have
Please.
received many awards in my life, but this award tonight is without a doubt the most recent. No, but it's been such a great meeting, and so great to meet so many people here and hear these wonderful presentations. Florian, you did a magnificent job,
Thank you.
and I thank you very much.
Thank you. This is for the work done after the Nobel Prize and the future work.